Pagod na ata sila, teacher. Once more, hello kids! Hello also to our dear parents, grandparents, and other guests who are with us today. A pleasant day to all of us, especially our guest together with his parents, Ma'am Mylene P. Gaspar, and Sir Rex Alvin D. Florentino. Kids, can you give me your biggest smile? Let me see your biggest smile. Okay. Yeah, very good. Now let me ask you something. Who here like cars? Anyone? Oh no. There, Caleb. Okay. Who likes drawing, painting, and singing? Of course, Rohan. Wow, who likes amazing kids? Kids are wonderfully different from one another. Some are quiet thinkers who observe everything carefully. Some are energetic movers who love to run and play all day. Some are little dreamers who get lost in their imagination. And some are cheerful talkers who love to share stories and ideas. Some kids are like little explorers who always asking why, always discovering new things, always letting their imagination run wild, and always excited to share what they think and feel. Right, mommies and daddies? Ganun po ba ang mga bata sa inyo? Ay, yes po. And today, we are going to meet one very special little learner who does all of that with so much joy and excitement. Our guest started his learning journey at Link 12 Learning Center Incorporation as a play school learner in January 2024. He was only 2 years old back then. He continued growing and learning in nursery in batch 2024 and a pre-K completer in 2025. At siya din po yung nag-words of gratitude. During his stay, let us know more of him as a kid. He is a very creative child. He loves drawing, painting, and singing. Imagine a little artist and a performer all in one. He is also very curious about big and amazing things. He loves cars, ships that sail across the sea, and even the solar system. Wow! The sun, moon, and all the planets. He is already showing wonderful skills for his age. Reading, writing, and communicating his ideas clearly and confidently. And isn't it amazing, kids? When we put all this together, his creativity, his curiosity, and his growing skills in reading, writing, and speaking, we can truly see a young learner who is not only enjoying learning, but is also growing into someone confident, expressive, and full of potential. Each picture, each activity, and each little achievement shows us that learning is a beautiful journey, step by step, day by day. And now, as we continue this celebration of learning and growth, let us clap our hands loudly and warmly. Welcome, Rohan